Hey guys, welcome back to Foreverland. We are here at Disney's Wilderness Lodge Resort at Walt Disney World here in Florida. We are about to try and review for you the brand new Roaring S'mores dessert. I'm not really sure what it is. It's a graham cracker cake. So if you haven't watched our springtime cupcake review, it was a graham cracker cupcake. Didn't taste too much like graham crackers. This looks more Grammy though. Some caramel, marshmallow, a chocolate mousse, and a nice little white chocolate Mickey on top. So let's dig into this. But before we start eating this, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It helps out so much. Subscribe to our channel and leave any comments below on if you want to try this on your next trip. All right, let's get started. Okay, so let's dig into this. Like I said in the beginning, it is a graham cracker cake with a caramel marshmallow in the middle, which is covered in edible glitter, so that's always a plus. Chocolate mousse, and then a toasted marshmallow right on top. I have Nick here with me. She's behind the camera. She's gonna help me eat this beautiful, very sweet treat, I'm sure. But this just debuted, I think, 2 days ago since recording this, and today is the 29th, 30th.
Something like that.
Today's the 30th. When you're in Disney World, your days just fly by.
April 30th.
Yeah. So let's dig in. Nice. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. That's just gonna fully pull off. Well, okay. So as you can tell, it's gone. We finished it. It was delicious. It wasn't as sweet as we thought it was going to be, which was nice. The cake was really dry. You can still kind of see it's like a little like I mean, it is graham cracker cake, but it's like very not together. I wasn't a huge fan of that. At least I could taste the graham cracker, unlike the cupcake. The mousse was very, very good. It was cold, so it was refreshing and nice. The marshmallow in the middle, like that thick marshmallow, was the most like stringy, gummy, chewy thing. Which, I mean, it's marshmallow, but it was really hard to eat. It was kind of all over the place. So make sure you grab a knife to cut into that. There was also a like Ferrero Rocher ball thing in the middle that was very yummy. Yeah, this is a pretty solid treat. It was nice. It's different. I like that it's a more of a like confectionery treat rather than just like another cupcake to try. So yeah, great job, Wilderness Lodge.
Yeah, there was a lot of different texture. Like, I'm a person where the texture thing is a big thing for me. Like, if you just throw buttercream on a cupcake, like, that doesn't impress me at all. And this had all of these different techniques, like marshmallow making, the crunchy ball, the drier graham cracker crumbly cake, and there was another marshmallow on top that was like toasted. That was cool. And the inner ball was the most yummy thing. I don't think there are any pieces left of it, but it was like a salted caramel, like crumbly, crispy ball. It was so
very good.
So yeah, definitely, I don't feel sick after this either, which is like the biggest thing.
Yeah, and it's like the same price as the cupcake. So I would say I would rather have this again over one of the cupcakes that you could get there, the campfire one, or there's like an orange one. Mm-hmm. So yeah, that's great. Highly recommend it. Hopefully it stays around throughout the summer because this is a pretty summery treat. Mm-hmm. So yeah, if you're coming to the Wilderness Lodge or Magic Kingdom at all, we were just talking about how nobody comes over here and it's just a little boat ride away. It's definitely, I think, one of the most underrated resorts here at Walt Disney World. So make sure you stop by. There's a nice little, we're sitting here overlooking the lobby. There's nice little sections like this that you can just come and relax and hang out and not be bugged by anybody. We've been here eating this for like 20 minutes. Not a single person has walked by. It's super nice. Mm-hmm.
There's also these. Look at that. Got a nice little fireplace behind us. It's very homey.
Very homey. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you liked it, like I said in the beginning, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Leave any comments below on if you've ever been here and what are some things that you recommend us try out or do or show other people. Make sure you also check out our podcast, Magically Unstable. We release videos here on YouTube and on Spotify, Google Podcasts, anywhere you get your podcasts. Every single Friday, we talk about mental health and Disney and all things magical and sometimes a little things that are stressful. So yeah, I'm Kurt. I already said that. Have a good day.